Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publishers video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear students, you must have with you Class 8 English textbook, summer pack and resource pack. Resource pack is for parents and teachers guidance. You can also download it from Cantab Publishers official website. We are going to start our lesson from Unit 4, A Day in the Life of a Chinese School Student. Essay laws of this lesson are: recognize and demonstrate function and use of infinitives. You have learned the concepts of infinitives in your previous class too, so in this lesson we are going to discuss the use of infinitives. What are the infinitives? Page number 57 of your textbook. Infinitives. An infinitive will almost always begin with to, followed by the simple form of the verb, the first form of verb. Like to plus verb is called infinitive. For example, to sneeze, to smash, to cry, to shriek, to jump, to dunk, to read, etc. As an infinitive is not a verb, you cannot add s, es, ed or ing to the end. Infinitives can be used as nouns, adjectives or adverbs. Like the examples here, to sleep is the only thing Alia wants after her double shift. You can see the use of to and the first form of verb, the simple form of the verb sleep. So this is infinitive. To sleep function as a noun here because it is the subject of the sentence. Start में आ रहा है तो क्या है? Subject of the sentence है. पूरे sentence को जो lead करता है वो आपका subject होता है. No matter how fascinating the biology dissection is, Aisha turns his head and refuses to look. To look function as a noun because it is the direct object for the verb refuses. Refuse क्या है आपका? Verb है और इसके लिए क्या है? ये direct object है. As a noun act कर रहा है यहाँ पर to look. आपका infinitive to look जो है as a direct object काम कर रहा है verb के लिए जो कि refuse है. Wherever Madiha goes, she always brings a book to read. In case conversation lags or she has a long wait. To read here is a infinitive. To read function as an adjective because it modifies the book. Book आपका क्या है? Noun है और noun को modify क्या करता है? Yes, adjective. Rashid suffered through the rain to throw the smelly fish out of the apartment. To throw function as an adverb because it explains why Rashid suffered through the rough weather. The adverb of manner here. Recognize an infinitive even when it is missing the to. An infinitive will almost always begin with to. Exceptions do occur, however. An infinitive will lose its to when it follows certain verbs. These verbs are feel, hear, help, let, make, see and watch. The patterns look like this. Special verbs plus direct object and plus infinitive too. The examples are: as soon as Tariq felt the rain splatter on his skin, he knew that he had a good excuse to return the lawn mower to the garage. Here the felt is the second form of feel. So this is a special verb here. The felt is a special verb. The rain is a direct object and splatter is a infinitive, but the to is missing, minus the to. We don't have to here, but the splatter is infinitive. Rain is the direct object and felt is the special verb. When Daud heard the alarm clock buzz, he slapped the snooze button and borrowed under the cover for 10 more minutes of sleep. Heard is the special verb, alarm clock is the direct object and buzz is infinitive minus the to. Although Mr. Rami spent an extra class period helping us understand equations. Helping is the special verb. Us is the direct object and understand is what? Yes, infinitive minus the to. Because Farooq had never touched a snake, I removed the cover of the cage and let him pet my 7-foot python. Let is the special verb here. Him is the direct object and pet is what? Infinitive minus the to. I said a prayer when I saw my friends mount the roller coaster. Saw is a special verb here, and my friends as a direct object, and the mount is infinitive minus the to. Hoping to lose her fear of flying, Sarah went to the airport to watch passenger planes take off and land, but even this exercise did not convince her that planes were safe. Watch is a special verb. Passengers planes is a direct object taken an infinitive minus the to. So let's have an exercise of it here. Combine the following simple sentences into a single simple sentence by using an infinitive. The first one has been done for you. Look here. I have engaged a private tutor. He will teach me English. I have engaged a private tutor to teach me English. आपने क्या करना है? 2 सेपरेट सेंटेंसेस दिए हुए हैं आपको. आपने उनको जोड़ना है किस चीज से? लिंक करना है, एक दूसरे से रिलेट करना है इन्फिनिटिव लगाकर. 2 लगा सकते हैं आप. I looked out of the window of my carriage. I wanted to see the green pastures. How you will change it? Yes, I is like you can see the I, and I have engaged a private tutor. He will teach me English. I and he here. But the private tutor here and the he here is the same person. We replaced it with the pronoun he. The second is I looked out of the window of my carriage. I wanted to see the green pasture. How you will change it? Yes, I looked out of the window of my carriage to see the green pastures. I wanted को आपने हटा देना है. बिल्कुल. I looked out of the window of my carriage to see the green pastures. The third one, the proposal is quite unreasonable. It cannot be accepted. How you will change it? The proposal is quite unreasonable to be accepted. Yes, to be accepted. The fourth one here, my mother was very much delighted. She had heard about my brother's safe arrival. How you will change it? इसको आपने बिल्कुल she had को आप हटा देंगे. My mother was very much delighted. Mother और she तो आपका एक क्या है, प्रोनाउन है. हमने she का यूज किया है. Mother और she एक ही पर्सन के बारे में बात हो रही है. My mother was very much delighted to heard about my brother's safe arrival. 2 आपने लगा देना है, बाकी आपने she had को रिमूव कर देना है. The fifth one, he went to the USA. He wanted to pursue higher education there. He went to the USA to pursue higher education there. He wanted को आपने रिमूव कर देना है. ये आपका सेंटेंस बन गया एक. The sixth one, he is so weak he cannot walk without help. He cannot को आपने हटा देना. He is so weak to walk without help. 2 लगा देना सिर्फ. कुछ सेंटेंसेस में आपका 2 पहले से लगा हुआ है, जैसे कि इसमें और कुछ में आपने खुद ही ऐड करना होगा इन्फिनिटिव बनाने के लिए. बाकी के 4 सेंटेंसेस आपने खुद करने हैं. दिस इज योर होम टास्क फ्रॉम समर पैक. This is also your home task from summer pack, and we also have an activity here. Make a list of the purpose you would like to fulfill. First, use I want to with any first form of verb to describe those purposes, and then change the subject with any other instead of I. Activity करनी है. अगर कोई confusion है आपको इस लेसन में, तो आपने क्या करना है, दोबारा से रीवॉच करें इसको, टेक्स्ट बुक खोलें अपनी, इसको पढ़ें, समझें. जिस तरह मैंने सेंटेंसेस को चेंज किया उसके प्रोसीजर को देखें, क्या चीज़ रिमूव की है. रिपीटेशन को जो है हमने बिल्कुल हटा दिया है. प्रोनाउंस का जो यूज़ हुआ था वो हटा के हमने सीधा टू लगा के इन्फिनिटिव वर्ब उसको बना दिया है. आई होप यू विल डू योर होमवर्क एंड एंजॉयड माई लेसन. थैंक यू.